Hi, this is Asa Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we have with us Mr. Vijay from Turtle Turbines. First of all, very much thank you for taking your time with us. If I may ask, what is Turtle Turbines and what do you talk about?
Yes, thank you so much for the opportunity given to explain our products and about our company. Turtle Turbines is a turbine manufacturing company. Especially, we manufacture steam turbines for chemical process industries. And we are in this business for last 21 years now. We are a full cycle company, right from design, engineering to manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and entire system. Especially, we have adopted steam turbine technology, which is a well-established technology for process industries, where waste heat or waste pressure is lost otherwise. And these turbines convert waste heat or waste pressure into useful, clean electrical power. So we have supplied our products all across the country. We have supplied it to around 10 countries worldwide. And a lot of our customers have tremendously benefited from our technology.
What is the main problem that you face while producing clean energy or green energy, we can say?
Yeah, the biggest challenge in producing green energy till now has been the investment. And second thing is the willingness of the customers to look at the option of generating green electricity. But now with the kind of focus that has come towards green energy, the carbon credits, and even probably over a period of time, the fear of getting into carbon tax has sort of motivated our customers to get into green energy.
It's very wonderful. The name itself seems quite interesting, if I may ask. What is the ethos behind the name?
Yeah, thank you so much. That's a very interesting question. Turtle, as we know, it lives longer and it also walks miles. So when we are talking about a product which provides power or the energy, basically it needs to be reliable. And turtle is a symbol of reliability. So we chose, after a lot of discussion amongst ourselves, we decided to go with the name as Turtle. And also if you look back into Indian mythology, there was Samudra Manthan, and below the Meru Parvat, there was Turtle, which was holding the entire Parvat, and Suras and Asuras were churning the ocean. And we believe for our customers, running their business is nothing less than churning the ocean. And if they get a reliable source of power, they can do their business with a lot of confidence. That was the idea.
That is actually a very interesting concept behind the name. How useful has been the particular event for your company?
This particular event, it has been a reasonably satisfying thing. We were expecting much more footfall, but we are reasonably happy with whatever we got, because trade shows are supposed to be expected, and whatever we get is fine. Yes.
That was all from my side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.